Welcome to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to show you how you can connect your hosting a domain to your Shopify store. Let's dive in. Right, so ladies and gentlemen, let's navigate first to our hosting account and select the domain from the domains portfolio. Go ahead and click on Manage and locate the DNS name servers section to begin this configuration. Here we need to configure our DNS records. So remove conflicting records and then add an A record, which will look like this, and a CNAME record, which will look like this, and then set your TTL to 1 hour for both entries. Now we need to connect in Shopify. So open Shopify's admin, go to Settings, Domains, and then Connect Existing Domain. Enter your hosting domain name and proceed to the next step. Your domain name will start off with HTTPS and it'll be your actual domain name. If prompted, you can add a TXT record in hosting as DNS with the verification value from Shopify. Just go ahead and click on Verify Connection, and here you will have to allow for the completion within 48 hours.